In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily crop your image into a shape in Canva. But before getting started, don't forget to leave us a like or subscribe. So let's get started. You need to upload your photo into Canva. After uploading your photo, just drag it right here. Then what we need to do is click on elements on the menu side. Then scroll down until you find the frames or the shapes, basic shapes, and you can choose whatever you like. I'm going to choose this one. Then you just need to select your image that you want to put it in the shape, then move it to the shape and automatically will get in. You can also move it around, make it bigger or smaller. So thank you for watching this guide. I hope it was helpful. Before leaving the video, please leave us a like or comment, and thank you. Bye bye.